G comme glanage. Glaner, c'est ramasser après la moisson. Glaneur, glaneuse, celui ou celle qui glane. Autrefois, il s'agissait toujours de glaneuses, et les plus célèbres, peintes par Millet, étaient reproduites dans les dictionnaires. L'original est au musée d'Orsay.
Glaner, c'est l'esprit d'antan, ça. J'ai entendu souvent ma mère dire « Fini de ramasser pour pas gaspiller ». Maintenant, malheureusement, ça ne se fait plus parce qu'il y a des machines tellement performantes. Mais avant, oui, j'ai eu glaner avec mes voisines, avec le blé, comme le riz aussi se faisait avant. Eh bien, voilà, j'avais mon grand tablier. Hein. On glanait, on ramassait le blé, les épis, les beaux épis qu'il y avait. Une journée au soleil, quand il y a des bestioles qui vous piquent, des moustiques, c'est pas trop agréable. Mais enfin, ça nous plaisait. Le soir, on était fourbus et on rentrait avec nos sacs, nos tabliers. Et après, c'était une bonne partie de rire, de boire, du café, vous voyez, voilà. Je suis née là, dans ce mas, et j'y mourrai.
Pas tout de suite. Allez, on vous laisse y retourner. Merci beaucoup, madame.
Merci à vous, messieurs, dames.
Merci à vous.
Je suis confuse parce que là, vous m'avez eu.
When you're in the middle of a story, it isn't a story at all, but only a confusion, a dark roaring, a blindness, a wreckage of shattered glass and splintered wood, like a house in a whirlwind or else a boat crushed by the icebergs or swept over the rapids, and all aboard are powerless to stop it. It's only afterwards that it becomes anything like a story at all, when you're telling it to yourself or to someone else. How far am I going to go up?
3 floors.
Let's keep going.
Take a break when you need to.
Jolly good. Oh, here we are then. Hi. Hi, Juju.
So this is where you're sitting.
Ah, right.
Here.
Right then.
Okay.
Ah, let's have a look and see. Oh,
So this is the first half.
this is what, love?
The first half of what we're recording.
I'm going to do the whole lot?
Yeah, there's another.
All this?
Yeah.
That's the whole of the thing that I wrote. It's a fair punishment, that.
Whose tea is that? Okay, sorry. No, I just think that I might be sweating through my shirt.
Yeah, I'm ready. Good handy. I don't like this.
Are you nervous?
No.
Yeah, it'll get worse.
Come on, skinny love, just let's sing it. So pour a little salt we will never eat. My, 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 my. Staring at the sink of blood across the room.
I hope you'll explain to me sometime what all this is that you're trying to do.
Huh?
With 2 cameras and me recording it visually and...
What about it?
I mean, it's not the normal way of doing it, is it?
I don't know. We've told you it's a documentary, but it's an interrogation process.
What?
It's an interrogation process that we've set up.
Okay.
I honestly need pills. Do you really? I'm so nervous. Are you really?
Are my teeth okay?
I feel like I'm sweating.
How far down? What's my frame? Okay. How are my breasts? Okay. Showtime.
And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced.
To extended well skirts and chinos slurs of her middle. I wanted to know the exact dimensions of hell. Are you for sale? Fuck you. It's fuck you sounds simple enough. Cause he looked like a turn me on. But he was candy all over. I went down the store.
We climb because it's fun. And mainly, it was fun. You know, that's all we ever did. And we were fairly anarchic and fairly irresponsible, and we didn't give a damn about anyone else or anything else, and we just wanted to climb the world, and it was fun. It was just brilliant fun. And every now and then it went wildly wrong, and then it wasn't. By the time I went to Peru, I was 25. Simon was 21. But we had done a lot of climbing in the Alps.